Hey YouTube, so today y'all are going to be watching me braid my hair. It's a 2-day process, so enjoy. Okay, so before I braid my hair, I prefer my hair to be freshly washed, and this is freshly washed. My brother washed my hair. He insisted on washing it, and I'm surprised. So, this is how it looks for those who don't see my hair. This is my natural state. With no stringing or anything like that. This is my natural state. This one's starting to dry up. Yeah. So next I'm about to dry and start plaiting. Okay, and I also do not blow out my hair. I leave it like this. I don't know, I don't feel like putting heat. Hold on, my package is here. Drug, sex, and Polaroid. Pick a star in the sky. We could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could paint all of these moments in vibrant. Okay, so it's straight. No, I'm just letting y'all know. This is my first time ever doing this method. Plaiting my hair and then taking down each one I go. Whereas I'm gonna do this before. I saw it on TikTok. And I was like, oh, okay, let's try. I'm not gonna do my parts big, so this one's gonna be like this. Oh, I'm just gonna let y'all know right now. I like my braids long. Like calf length. Calf length. I'm a little sick and congested right now, so that's why I'm like it. I like my braids long. This is for Christmas too, so the color of my hair, it's not gonna really match the outfit at all, but I'm doing purple at the back and then the rest is gonna be black. It's gonna be like a peekaboo and the end's gonna be curled as well. So yeah, I haven't had box braids since summertime, since I had a job in school. And I had time to do me some box braids. I have the time now because I'm off for I'm off all the way into Christmas Eve. So we're gonna do some box braids. I'm doing my twist. Now, just gonna have to wait on my mom. Take them to the store to get the braiding in. But as of now, I like my hair like this. I like it like this for real. I might start wearing my hair like this at school. I actually might lock it like this, because I am planning on locking my hair. Feels like a boy. It's okay, y'all. I'm gonna get my hair done. Well, I'm doing it. It's not like anybody else is doing it. I'm doing it. I'll be back when I'm at the hair salon. I bought 17 items, right? Oh, I didn't just buy hair, I bought hair oil. This is the oil that I also okay, so I'm home and I'm about to start my first braid. I just looked up a tutorial on how to put the curl in at the end because I ain't understand. I grabbed a crochet hook Apparently all I have to do is braid it in. I thought of that at first, but I just want to make sure. So, oh, this is the, I use this. Now I use this. At first I used to use Got the Bee spray and some type of water-based edge control that just stopped working for me out of the blue. Yeah. So I'm doing purple in the back. This is the, never mind, I'm gonna show you the packet when I get done with this row or whenever I need some more hair. So you just take it where I'm gonna have to get up in a little bit because yep, and I'm about to get up now because no, actually no, I can see. But let me mute this because I do not want to get copyrighted. But I like to watch YouTube videos while I'm doing my hair. So I'll be watching hair videos while I'm doing my hair. Even though I know what I'm doing, I just like to watch something. So I'll bring my MacBook in here with my extension cord because I'm going to be in here for a good bit. So I'll try to make sure my hair smooth. I'm gonna come back when it's time for me to feed it in. Okay, y'all, it's the next day and I did most of my second row yesterday, but I'm on my way to my boyfriend's house. He's gonna help me with my hair, and I guess I'm gonna just add in me doing his hair too. He wants his tips dyed blue, so I have to bleach the rest of his hair and add the blue. Hopefully he get the right dye because he's paying for it and paying me, so I'm not tripping. So I think I got 3 more left, or 4, no, 4 more left. But I'm getting done with this fast. And I'm starting to get the hang of putting the curl at the end. So I'm gonna show y'all when I set up my camera and when I get there.
You gonna record this?
Hey y'all, so I'm at Donald's house. Yeah. I'm excited.
Got my own merch. I'm finna make a new hood. It's gonna say Mr. Subscribe, goddammit. You watch my videos, you know where to get this from.
Yeah, but
she over here looking ratchet.
I'm not looking ratchet.
Looking
You said you
ghetto.
will help me with my hair and I help you with yours. That's the plan. Don't act like that
No,
on
no,
camera.
no, 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 no.
No, that's literally what he said.
No, no, no.
Alright, I got the second row done.
Oh yeah.
Finally.
Okay, looking good.
He calling my braids vibranium braids. But I'm gonna be back when I'm done with the third row. Or somewhere done with it.
Give me them braids. See how long they. Oh, you recording?
Yes. So don't do nothing stupid.
Oh, I was so wrong. Yeah, man.
Yeah. But like I said, I'm gonna be back when I'm halfway done with the third row. Okay, so I'm back at home. Well, I've been home for like since 10 o'clock last night. And it is the 23rd, the day before Christmas Eve. I pretty much been doing my hair. I just been on the phone with him. I'm on the 4th row, and I have 2 more rows. And I have to stop at the store to get some more of them curls. These, because I've been using them. I've been trying to make the ends full when I don't need to. So you just use 2 strands or just one. That's all you need. You don't need like a handful at all. So yeah. Or just like a little thick strand like this, that would be good. That's like literally all you need to put towards the end. And then I've been using my lace blonde spray to hold the end. So put it like this so far. There we go. I don't want that. It's gonna get done by today. You wanna say hey, Donald? Yeah, because I knew he was going to say something. Peach color moon glistens the plot thickens as we laugh over shotguns. But I should be uploading this video today. Would you rather a cold flame, the thrill of no shame? If I have another video, I'll push out tomorrow. In the sky, we could both say goodbye. Me wrapping his presents. Well, actually getting his presents together. And then pretty much vlogging my Christmas Eve, so I'll be at work for most of the day. And then get his presents ready. And of course, my little brother opening up a sneak gift. I bought him because I told him he could open it up at 12. But I would be back. Well, I'm close to getting done. Old souls have found a new religion. Now I'm swimming in that sin. Baptism, peach colored skies reveal a sunrise. Until the lost angels discover salvation. Don't you wish we could run away now? Yes, yes. Drugs, sex, and Polaroids. Pick a star in the sky. We could both say goodbye all night. Wish I could be around with these moments involved. Coffee in the morning, coffee in the morning, yeah. But I don't wanna wake you, I just wanna watch you sleep alright, yeah. Smell of your hair, and it's the way that we fit. I never felt comfortable, oh no. Shit real. I'm finally done with my hair. I'm putting the shirt off on me. I use this. Don't mind me with the edge wrap holding thing for wigs. I don't have nothing that can hold my edges down. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact. I would throw my I get out the shower. I'm just gonna stay. It's gonna waste time. I say it's dirty, take your face. What kind of play? You got to play that, babe. 4:54. Okay.